In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change MetaMask's secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase is a crucial component of your MetaMask wallet. It acts like a key that grants access to your funds and assets. However, it's important to know that you cannot change the secret recovery phrase for an existing wallet. This phrase is permanently tied to the wallet when it is created. If your secret recovery phrase has been compromised or you simply want a new one, the only solution is to create a new wallet. This ensures that your digital assets remain secure. To begin, open the MetaMask extension. You can do this by locating the MetaMask icon in your browser's extension area. Once you click on it, the MetaMask interface will appear. This interface is where you manage your cryptocurrency and NFTs. It is essential to ensure that you are logged into the correct account before proceeding. This step is important because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, click the account selector at the top of the MetaMask window. This is typically represented by your account name or a small icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Here you will see your current wallet address along with options to manage your wallets. This action is necessary because it allows you to add a new wallet to your existing MetaMask setup. From there, select Add Wallet. This option will lead you to initiate the process of creating a new wallet. It is a straightforward process, but it is crucial to follow each step carefully. Once you select this, you will be directed to a new window that provides further instructions. This is essential for ensuring that you are on the right path to securely creating a new wallet. Now, click Create a New Wallet. This step will bring you to the wallet creation screen. You may be prompted to accept the terms of service or to confirm that you want to proceed with creating a new wallet. Make sure to read through any prompts carefully. This step is significant as it sets you up for generating a new secret recovery phrase that is unique to your new wallet. After that, follow the prompts and securely back up the new secret recovery phrase. You will be shown your new secret recovery phrase on the screen. It is critical to write this down and store it in a safe place. You should never share this phrase with anyone. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that you have a secure backup of your new wallet. With your new wallet ready, switch back to your old wallet. This can be done by selecting your old wallet from the Account Selector menu. It is important to keep this wallet open as you prepare to transfer your assets. You will need to ensure you have access to both wallets during this process. Next, transfer your cryptocurrency and NFTs to an address in the new wallet. This involves sending your assets from your old wallet to the new one. Make sure to double-check the wallet address before confirming the transaction. This step is crucial to ensure that your valuable assets are moved securely and correctly. Once you've confirmed everything has been transferred, stop using the old wallet. It is vital to ensure that no further transactions occur from that wallet. This helps prevent any potential loss or confusion regarding your assets. Remember, your secret recovery phrase cannot be edited or replaced for an existing wallet. Creating a new wallet is the only way to get a new secret recovery phrase. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, and only enter it in the official MetaMask extension when restoring a wallet. Following these guidelines will help keep your digital assets safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to manage your MetaMask secret recovery phrase.